Hey y'all, happy Friday. This is Max with Lowcountry Contractors. We just finished up yet another project here in Lowcountry where we took this outdated exterior and we completely transformed it. Let's go check it out. We removed the old cedar siding and replaced it with all new James Hardie siding. Then we took all the old windows and we replaced them with brand new Simonton Stormbreaker windows. And then by adding this addition, we really added a lot to the front elevation of this home. We also replaced the old shingle roof with this amazing 24 gauge standing seam metal roof, equipped with 2 solar tubes that add a ton of extra light to the center of their home. The customized cupola and the gable of the addition really add some vertical dimension that was missing. The homeowner decided to add this shadow gray accent to the side of the addition to actually give it even more depth. Now we're in the rear of the home where we added this huge picture frame window to give the homeowner even more light inside the home and give them a really nice view of the pond.